Whoa, got another package? All right, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from B&T Industries, which stands for Bitter and Twisted, not to be confused with the other B&T Industries, also known as ACCU-SHOT. So feel free to check them out. Try to drop some links in the description. ACCU-SHOT, B&T. So let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. Let's see how we can get this open. Okay, so let's see what we got here. Got a little bit of packaging. We got some stuff, more stuff, and some paper here, and no manifest. Nope, correction, got the manifest. And each item signed off on. And some stickers. Cool. Okay, so the way they do it here, we have a logo. Again, B&T Industries. You have your Atlas Bipod, ACCU-SHOT Monopod. And this one actually says paid in full, invoice numbers, all that info. Let's go ahead and see what we got here. I'm just going to try to arrange these in order. Looks like we got a couple of stickers we can start off with. So right off, we have an Atlas Bipod B&T ACCU-SHOT Monopod. And we have a B&T Industries 25 years of support, 2000 to 2024 sticker. Commemorative sticker. Very cool. All right, so number one, I can see here we have a BT54 Flushcup stud. So you can see here in the packaging itself. I'm going to go ahead and get this out of here real quick. Everything is heat sealed. So let's see if we can go ahead and cut this out of here. You can see here that's kind of that sling swivel with the large button, as well as now this stud, which we're going to apply in a little bit. So up there, BT54. Next up is a BT53 silo. So you can see here the silo bag, it's packaging. Let's go ahead and get this open. Okay, it's kind of a tight fit in the bag. Let's see if I can push it out here. Okay, so you can see here, I don't think I can get that out right now, but there is a hex head screw there, and normally you can pull it out, put it into this side, and here this Flushcup stud normally fits into there. So give me a second. Okay, so I got the hex head out. I normally like to mount it on this side, and then we could put the Flushcup stud right into there, or 90 degrees opposing there, however you want to orient it. And then you can also put this on the other side, as you see it come across. And this can fit under a rail mount, or you can modify for ARCA, or however you want to attach this to whatever platform you want to. You can see the bracing front there, and the bag itself. So again, this will be the BT53 silo. So I've got that. Pull that out. Next up, let's see what we got. We should have, let's see, BT22 3-inch leg extensions. So these can be used with the V8 PSR and CAL bipods. So what these are, basic leg extensions that go on the Atlas platform bipods. Let's see if we can pull these out right now. And they are stackable too as well. It looks like that one is sealed into its own little pocket there. So I'm going to have to release it to get it out. Let's see, right there. But normally feet go into here. This will go into your bipod itself once you pop the foot out. Or you can stack them like this with the detents, like so. So just give you a quick idea. And they also make a nice little interesting device as well. But for now, just a set of the 3-inch leg extensions for the V8 PSR and CAL model of bipods. And I might be able to get that separated. Let's see here. Yep, just like that. Real simple. And last but not least, looks like we got a shirt here. Let's go ahead and get this open. Okay, so let's see, what size do we get here this time? It's a Gildan extra large, kind of these narrow tag style, pretty thick t-shirt. And actually, no, it's a long sleeve. Nice. So this is the front design here. Atlas Bipod ACCU-SHOT monopod logo, Bitter and Twisted Industries. And you can see here a kind of a front excised view of a particular item with an Atlas bipod right there, serving at the front. Atlas Precision bipods. You see here it actually has some of the accessory feet that you can switch out. Let's take a look at the back here. Well, it's the back portion of a specific item. Something going on there. B&T. Still serving at the rear. The ACCU-SHOT Precision monopods since Y2K 2000. So again, this being filmed in 2024, you got the 2000 to 2024 25-year anniversary. And then last but not least, let's see what else we got here. Looks like we got another catalog. 25 years of support, B&T. So we'll take a look at this in more depth later, but you can see they have a large variety of items. You can actually see some of the ones we actually ordered today, but just a very quick look at the free catalog here. In this case, the 25 years of support, We Are Support B&T catalog. So working our way backwards, we've got the catalog. This is actually BT77 Support in Retro Extra Large Long Sleeve. We had the BT22 Atlas Leg Extensions. We had the BT53 Silo. And we also started off with a BT54 Flushcup stud, as well as the two stickers that came from B&T Industries, Bitter and Twisted, also known for Atlas Bipod and ACCU-SHOT monopod. So feel free to check them out, large variety of items. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos, as well as a selection of book review media reviews. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.